So hi guys, so I went to the doctor and I was mistaken. It was not what I was thinking. So I actually have a TMG disorder, and you can Google it. So it happens when your jaw joint and in the muscles that control jaw movement is in pain, or in my case I just feel the click, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, and I was crying because the doctor said that I will need to install braces, upper and lower one. So to them to fix it, they will need to install braces on my upper and lower jaw, and then every month, or it depends on type of braces, I will need to see a doctor, a specialist, like every month. The problem that I'm going back to Jamaica, so I'll not be able to, see the doctor within 2 years. Yeah, he said it will take about 2 years, and after 2 years minimum, they will need to remove it, and there will be a space in my mouth, and there in that space they will install an implant, so like fake tooth. So after, I will need some massages or the therapy. A lot of things I will need to do, and I don't know how I don't know. Can Google it in Jamaica. I called my husband. I'm praying that in Jamaica they can do it for me, but I know in Jamaica it will cost a lot more than in Russia. So my plan is to install braces here in Russia, and if they can treat me every 2-3 months in Jamaica, it would be perfect for me. But the doctor said not every specialist will do it, because some of them, they want you to do braces with them, and then they know how to treat their own work, So I'm very frustrated. I don't know what to do, because also the doctor told me that it can cause me to end up being deaf, and it has a lot of bad effects. If I don't treat it, I will also have a lot of pain, muscle joints pain, headache. So there's something I have to treat, I can't just put it down for long. I have to do it now. The faster it better. I called my husband right now to ask him, but now it's very early morning in Jamaica, so I'm not sure if he can call direct now, but I'm very sad. I never knew something like that. You know what caused it? So I had one tooth removal procedure in Vietnam. So they removed one of my tooth, so this one here, and they supposed to put a fake one because the space was just left, So because of that, my teeth, they moved and everything moved. So the way how I'm chewing now, it's not the correct way. So it is moving my keep moving my jaw. So yeah, it's like it moves it like that. So I don't want it to be worse. I don't want to look ugly. I don't know. So tomorrow I'm going to see one more doctor. So actually I saw 2 doctors today. I will need to see one more. And after that we'll decide what to do. But it's just not easy. I don't know. So my husband, he's asking one place in Kingston about cost, but like the automatically sended message says it costs from 5,000 to 8,000. All their fees, everything includes like x-rays and records, so blah blah blah. Our payment plan requires a deposit of, okay, so it's like, okay, let's say worst case it will cost us $8,000. And here, why I want to do it here in Russia, because I know I can get in Russia like 2 upper and lower jar for about 1,500, and it's much more cheaper. But my doctor, the Russian one, he said that not every doctor will continue somebody's work, and that's what makes me even more confused, because if I understand that it's just better to return to Jamaica and start do it with Jamaican doctor, but it's just so costly. So in Russia, if I would do that, but then again, if I would do that in Russia, spend also a lot of money, and then nobody can, treat me in Jamaica. That is the next turn in our story, so I don't want it to happen. So I'm so frustrated. I don't know what to do. Morning guys. So I'm actually feeling much more better, because yesterday I was feeling so nervous, anxious when I heard what doctor said, and today I overslept this shock news, and I also shared with my husband, and I asked him if in Jamaica I can do the treatment. So my husband, my great husband, he called the doctors in Kingston, and they said that yes, they do it, they treat it also, but it will be much more expensive, but not really that far. So I'm going to do it in Jamaica, because once one doctor installs braces, you have to treat for 2 years or something. You have to visit the same doctor again and again, because the doctor with who you started from beginning, this doctor has to treat you. So that is the problem, because I wanted to install my braces here in Russia. It's cheaper, it's quite cheaper, but then again, I am not sure if in Jamaica they can continue this Russian doctor work, Yeah, so we decided, we had a talk, so we decided everything will be done in Kingston, in Jamaica. So yes, I am coming back to Jamaica, and first thing I will do, I'm going to see the orthodontist, in Jamaica, in Kingston. I'm so glad, because first thing I was worrying how everything would go, how everything will happen in Jamaica, because I was like thinking, honestly guys, I was thinking, what if they do not have those doctors in Jamaica? What if I had a lot of what ifs. And that made me feel nervous, and I was even crying. That's how I was scared, because I am only 25 years old and I am struggling with this problem. But I'm trying to find pluses also, because I have not really perfect teeth, so with braces I will end up with a Hollywood smile, so nobody will call me shark again, because some people used to say, oh, your teeth, they look like a shark teeth. So yeah, but let me tell you something. For aesthetic reasons, I would never put myself through that. But because I have a real problem, I have this click in my jaw, so I have no other way to treat it other than braces and then implant, and yeah. So for aesthetic reasons, I would never ever do that. Like for fashion, it's pretty fashionable now, and a lot of people, they put braces even if they have small problems. They put the braces, and they put those colorful braces just to say, yeah, I have money, look at me. But I would not do that, trust me, not me. And when the doctor said to me that I will need to install upper and lower jaw, I was literally crying inside. And then I went to the toilet, and I was crying there, because for me, braces, they will make your life so uncomfortable, and so you have to take care of them, blah 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 blah. And I don't really like that. I don't like this. I'm about comfort. I don't like when something is bothering me and I want to get rid of it fast. So if for the prettiness, I would never do that. I would never install braces for prettiness. But it happened that way, so well, I have to do that. And by the way, I am going to jog 1 month. I had a break, so I need to go back to my jogging sessions. I've been just eating Russian dumplings, and I even gained, I think, like 1 kilo. Well, 1 kilo is not that bad, but let me tell you something. I don't really like even 1 kilo on me. I want to go back to my 53. I'm 54 normally, but now I'm like 56 kilograms, so it's not okay. So I need to run. So I'm going to run. Leo is going with me. My mom. Yeah, I wanted to show you my mom new bed. Let me show off a little. This is just basic, but it has orthopedic mattress. Orthopedic. Jano, but you understood. Good feedback. So what I will do now, I will just close the window and close the curtains like my mom said, because don't romp with the mama. If she says something to do it, because that's not your house, so you have to be a respectful guest. So I'm just here. Ready, Leo?
We're going. I'm gonna have a.
Leah got a scooter.
I got a scooter
from neighbors. This is a second-hand scooter.
Yeah.
But still, Leah is excited.
And then
we're here for only 4 months, so
and then
4 months it's okay.
And then I got.
Nothing left. But something left still though.
Something left?
I'm going to run.
We're going to run to the school.
And you will scoot.
Yeah, because I can.
Yeah, so guys, I allow Leo to ride only on the pedestrian walks. I'm going to run here. So basically this is a school for disabled picnic, so when they're going somewhere, so a lot of summer camps, school summer camps now is keeping. So yeah, for parents who can't babysit all summer, you can send your picnic back to school or summer camp. Very convenient, right? wouldn't mind fall summer to send my kids back to school. Okay, so this is the perfect place for Leo to ride the scooter, and I'm going to run now. Whew, finished. Whew, that was a blast. I'm so tired. Super tired though. Whew. That's why I hate doing breaks between running sessions, because it's so hard to go back to your normal, to an arm, you know what I'm saying? It was hard, it wasn't easy, but you know, you have to push to look good. You have to look good. Yeah, if my teeth going to look good, I have to look good myself too. Can't just take it for granted and just get fat and, you know, get comfortable. No, so I'm gonna do some push-ups and sit-ups. Yes, making perfect me. Finished the session. Leo found something interesting. Okay, so you know that's how it goes in Russia when you send your kid to a summer camp. That's how they walk together in groups though. Yeah. They have some English school. This is actually some English school camp. Yeah. We were just walking and I wanted ice cream after running, like really. So that's how in Russia they sell ice cream. You can choose anything and just tell the lady inside, so they will give you whatever you want.
Нет, давай мы нормальное мороженое. Вот такое, либо вот такое. Какое?
Вот такое.
Вот такое, тюменское? Так, нет, нам
This is
надо
the ice
белое. Так,
cream
тогда,
of my
знаете,
childhood.
вот, натур.
We came to eat pizza. Alright, Leo. Pizza.
Бери в ручки, вот так вот. Вот.
Coca-Cola.
И кушай. Ну, откусывай кусочек. Вот он, откусывай.
Oh god. Это ничего.
Нет,
It's
нет,
okay.
это сметанка.
Just eat. Leo is picky bud. Tasty?
Давай.
Guys, so I'm going to eat pizza too. Oh, Leo is picky. It's like, I like it. So guys, this is place back from my childhood door. One time I used to celebrate here birthday, so it's like pizza from my childhood. So every time I am
И запивай.
in Russia, in my city, I always go to this place. Yeah, looks like Leo liked it finally though, but I shell it already. I see my slice gone already. It's so tasty. I don't know why Leo didn't give it a chance from first, but now he's doing good. Leo, you like a pizza? You like it? Alright. So how the place looks though, it's pretty huge. It's like back in the days, every Russian kid from this city, every kid from Tumen city wanted to celebrate birthday here, because it like when you invite your friends and they think you're rich and you buy everybody pizza. I decided to take my guilty pleasure. This is fried dumplings. Yes, stuffed with meat. That's what I used to eat back in my childhood days, like a hungry student. I used to love it. And deer sauce, mayo and ketchup. My mom is laughing at me, but trust me guys, she just does not know my love for it. So I'm gonna shell it now. Look what they have in this place. So Leo gonna play. See Leo guys, he's up there.